Hello friends, I am Vinay Kumar Mina from Jaipur Engineering College Mechanical Engineering Department. Today's my e-learning topic is gear and gear trains. Introduction. Sometimes two or more gears are made to mess with each other to transmit power from one shaft to another. Such a combination is called a gear train. A train of a two wheels. The nature of the train used depend upon the velocity ratio required and the relative position of the axis of a shaft. A gear train may consist of a spur and bevel or spiral gear. Gear. Power transmission is the movements of a energy from its place of generation to a location wheel it is applied to performing useful work. A gear is a gear is a component with a transmission device that transmit rotational force to another gear or device. Two or more gears are made to mesh each other to transmit power from one shaft to another. This is called gear train. A gear is a component with a transmission device that transmits the rotational force to another gear or device. Types of gear according to the position of the axis of the shaft. First one, the parallel. First, spur, helical or rack and pinion. Then second one is intersecting bevel gear, and third one is non-intersecting or non-parallel worm gear. And according to depending upon the arrangement of the wheel. First one is simple gear train, second one is compound gear train, and third one is reverted gear train, and fourth one epicyclic gear train. In the first three types of gear trains, the axis of the shaft over which the gear are mounted are fixed relative to each other. But in this case of epicyclic gear train, the axis of the shaft on which the gear are mounted may move related to fixed axis. Spur gear. Teeth is parallel to axis of rotation. And second one is transmit power from one shaft to another parallel shaft. Helical gear. Helical one shaft to another shaft is parallel but inclined position. Then next one is herringbone gear, and next one is rack and pinion. Rack and pinion are used to convert rotation from the pinion into linear motion of the rack. A perfect example of this is steering system on many cars. Straight and spiral bevel gear. Bomb and worm gears. Nomenclature of the spur gear: addendum circle, addendum, face width, space width, circular thickness, face, flank, flank, clearance, pitch circle, root circle, addendum. Gear train. A gear train is two or more gear working together while mashing their teeth and turning each other in a system to generate power and speed. It reduces speed and increasing torque. Electric motors are used with the gear system to reduce the speed and increase the torque. Types of gear train: simple gear train, compound gear train, and planetary gear train. Simple gear train. The most common of the gear train is the gear train is connecting parallel shaft. The teeth of these types can be spur, helical, or herringbone. Only one gear may rotate about a single axis. Then first types of gear train: simple gear train. When there is only one gear on each shaft, as shown in figure, it is known as simple gear train. The gear are represented by their pitch circle. When the distance between the two shafts is a small or two gears, one or two may to mess with each other to transmit motion from one shaft to another. As shown in, since the gear one device or two there, first one is called driver, then second one is driven. It is maybe noted that the motion of the driven gear is opposite to the motion of driven gear. Speed ratio and train value. First one, gear is gear is speed value is n1, then second gear is speed value is n2, and teeth t1. Number of teeth on gear first t1 and number of teeth on gear 2 t2. Since the speed ratio is n1 upon n2 is equals to t2 upon t1, it may be noted that the ratio of speed of driven or follower to the speed is known as train value. Of the train value is equals to n2 upon n1 is equals to t1 upon t2. From above be seen that the train value is reciprocal of the speed ratio. Sometimes The distance between two gears is large. The motion from one gear to another in such a case may be transmitted by the either following the two methods: by providing the large size gear, by providing the one or more intermediate gear. Planetary gear train, they have higher gear ratio. They are popular of automatic transmission is automobile. They are also used in bicycle from controlling power or paddling automatically manually. They are also used for power train between internal combustion engine and electric motor. Next one is compound gear train and constant mass synchronized. Thank you.